when I was in a taxi. I was in London, and he was a local, and he started singing my grandfather's song to me because he had watched all of Raj Kapoor's film, and he actually sung in Hindi language. He sung Mera Joota Hai Japani.
Wow.
So I think for me that was a really great moment of pride because he also sang it so clearly in our Hindi bhasha. I think Dadaji's film was quite old. I mean, it made it in the 60s, 50s.
Well, it is also true that lots of these actors that are not just representing international brands, but so many actors, not just the mainstream movie stars, but artists that are doing some incredible work and our cinema being recognized. Now, when you walk on a red carpet internationally, go for an event, it's not just the diaspora that knows you. There are countries beyond, the Asian countries that our films release in that are recognizing your work and acknowledging you. What has been your experience, or rather share one experience you've had where, like I know you've attended the Red Sea Festival recently, where you've had people who are not from Asia and have not consumed a lot of our work, don't have come from our culture, but are truly acknowledging the work we do. Have you had an experience that you'd like to share with us?
I think the global impact that films have is absolutely insane because I have seen not just, of course, in the recent films, but this has happened to me in 2023 when I was in a taxi. I was in London, and he was a local, and he started singing my grandfather's song to me because he had watched all of Raj Kapoor's films. And he was like, I have seen his films and I can't believe that you are sitting here. And he actually sung in Hindi language. He sung Mera Joota Hai Japani.
Wow.
So I think for me that was a really great moment of pride because he also sang it so clearly in our Hindi bhasha that I felt that look at the impact, look at what is happening. And he actually, he made me realize that the kind of love that we as a nation, our films are getting and the way they're still watching it. I think Dadaji's film was quite old. It made it in the 60s, 50s
Well, actually your grandfather, your illustrious grandfather, Raj Kapoor ji, actually I think was one of the pioneers of creating that global footprint. I believe Russia, there was a premiere he had in Russia, and beyond that, even in Japan and everywhere else, people know his songs, they know his movies. And I think he, in many ways, began this journey.
He began journey, and I think cultural relations started with that because of the impact on the films that they were watching. And the best part is, I think today also people are watching our films. Earlier, they would be dubbed in different languages, like maybe German, French, whatever. But today they are enjoying actually watching the original Hindi language movies. And that is something which I really love and I feel great about.